Welcome back to the Super Bros Kitchen, where we're not just cooking, we're creating culinary magic. Today we are going to share 10 genius kitchen hacks that will transform your cooking forever. Quick ripen avocados. All you need is a brown paper bag and a banana. Pop your hard avocado in a bag with a banana and wait about a day. The bag releases ethylene gas, which speeds up the ripening process of the avocado. No zester, no problem. Use a vegetable peeler and a knife to get perfect orange or lemon zest every time. Just make sure not to get the white part. It's bitter. Need to chill your wine quickly? Wrap your bottle in a wet paper towel and pop it in the freezer. It'll be perfectly chilled in just 15 minutes. For an easy clean blender, add warm water and a drop of dish soap. Turn it on for a few seconds, then rinse it out. Voila! Your blender is spotless. Don't let fresh herbs go to waste. Chop them up. Put them in an ice cube tray. Fill with olive oil. And freeze. Next time you cook, just pop one out and you've got fresh herbs ready to go. Easy peel boiled eggs. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to the water before boiling your eggs. The baking soda increases the alkalinity of the water, making the eggs much easier to peel. We are tackling pancake messes. Make perfect pancakes every time by using a squeeze bottle. Your pancakes will be perfect circles every time, and no drippy batter all over the counter. And when you're done, just close the lid and put it in the fridge, good for next day. Don't toss those wilted greens. Simply soak them in ice water for 5 to 10 minutes. They'll perk up and be crisp as ever. Dealing with sticky ingredients? Coat your measuring cup or spoon with hot water before measuring sticky substances like maple syrup. And watch how it just slides right off. Easily pit cherries with this straw. Simply push the straw through the top of the cherry and the pit will pop right out of the other end. Fast, easy, and no special tools needed. And a bonus tip, do this on parchment paper and you'll have a quick, easy cleanup at the end. And that's a wrap. 10 genius kitchen hacks to simplify your cooking and elevate your kitchen game. We hope these tips save you time and make your cooking even more enjoyable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen hacks and lip-smacking recipes from the Super Bros Kitchen. Stay tuned and happy cooking.